a nice little question here. I am screen sharing, right? Yeah, there it is. Solve the equation x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed plus 2x squared equals 0. Okay. So this kind of has the feel of a quadratic, but it does not have the right degrees. So, oh no, what do we do? What do we do? Well, I noticed that there are 4 x's, 3 x's, 2 x's. Everything's got at least 2 x's. So let's factor that out, the x squared. We'll factor 2 x's out. Okay, and that leaves me, I did have 4, but 2 of them came out, so I've got 2 left. And I got 1 left. And then all the x squareds came out here, and I'm just left with this little 2 here. Okay, so this reduces to the problem of factoring a quadratic. Now, it's one of those nice quadratics that has a leading coefficient of 1, and we do love that. Okay. So this is one where we can stop and try and do our nice simple factoring technique. Although if we were getting frustrated, something we could do instead, you know, oh, I just can't figure out the factoring. You could say, all right, either x squared is equal to 0 or x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. I don't want to factor this. Hey, I could use the quadratic formula. So that'd be another approach. But this one actually isn't that bad to factor. I'm looking for 2 numbers that multiply to positive 2 and add to positive 3. Think about that for a moment. There's only a couple pairs of numbers that will multiply to 2. Right? 2 is a prime number. We love prime numbers because there isn't a lot to work with. Something like 30, something like 105, there's a lot more factors to work with. But yeah, 1 and 2 should do the trick. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay? So now we've got the whole thing factored. Either x squared is 0, x plus 1 is 0, or x plus 2 is 0. And that translates to x being 0, x being minus 1, or x being minus 2. And there they are. Okay, so that's our solutions to this particular quartic equation.